Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my office. Sorry I don't have a light facing towards me, so I don't look great today, but we will get that figured out soon enough. But I've got here, look at this here, I got some new Wyze cameras. These are the Wyze version 3s. I've been using the Wyze version 2s, and I actually have a couple of the 3s, but I figured, hey, why not get some more? And I want to set these up. These have a cool feature now with a little kind of a hacky upgrade thing that you can do that'll give you the ability to do RTSP. So that means I can suck it into my OBS system. This is super technical. Suck it into the OBS system and stream it on my YouTube Live or on other live systems, so I can actually make these cameras go live. Where I couldn't I was playing around with some Ring cameras and stuff. I have some over there somewhere. Couldn't do it with those, but these I can. So let's see if I can actually open this package. Man. And we're going to check these out and see what it is. I don't have one of the old ones with me to show you the difference, but let's see how it looks like. Quick start guide. And I actually have a couple of Wyze cameras already, so it's going to go a little easier for me than it has before in setting this up. But let's see what we got here. We got a couple of screws that it comes with, some screws and some anchors, so I could plug it into something. It comes with, can you see all this stuff down here? I don't know. I should aim it down more, but whatever. It comes with a little double-sided tape, and then a big, huge washer, metal washer, and I'll show you what that's for in a second. And then we have our nugget to plug it in. It looks like it's a USB. And it goes USB to micro USB, so it's a micro USB on the camera here. And then here is, so these are good for indoor and outdoor, so that's what's kind of cool about these two, is they're waterproof. And so you'll see it has here, here's the camera. Let me just get it out of the package. Okay, and that's everything in the box for the most part. So all the stuff here, there's some silicone, and then that's it. So these are all the items here. And so if we look at it, it comes with a USB-C, female side with a rubber thingy around it. So that's what's going to give you the waterproofness. And then this is the camera here, so you can kind of have it there. And if you wanted to mount it on something, like if I want to just put it on the side of the wall or something like that, I just, put double-sided tape on the washer, or if I have something metal, I can just go right to it. If I want to put it to a refrigerator and watch, it just magnets on. So if I want to magnet it to my refrigerator or something like that, just stick it right on the refrigerator and it'll be there. I already have a wire going, but anything metal, it'll work. And I actually had it on the side of my camper with this tape, and I drove down the street. I forgot I left it on there, like just by my door, and it stayed on. So it was pretty good. It's a really strong magnet. So let's check this out here. And I'm going to plug it in. So let's see how long the wire is. I'm about 6 feet, so it's about 6 feet long. And we will plug this in here. So there we go. See, it's got a nice, good seal now. And then we plug this in here, and then we'll plug it into the wall. So now we are plugged in. It's probably going to turn on here in a second. There's the light. And then I go onto my phone, and if I have the Wyze app on my phone, which I do because I have some other Wyze cameras, let's see, where is it? My RV section. So I'll go into my Wyze section here. I'll go add a new camera, add a device, add a camera. And here we go. I'll show you guys here. So let me go back. So basically we go to plus here to add a device, and then I will add a device, add a camera, and then a Wyze Cam V3, and then it says put it in the power until it starts flashing red, and you see it's flashing red. And then we hit next, and it says pull the base away, which I have done by pulling it down, and then press the setup. And so you look under here, and there is one side is for the micro SD card right there, so that'll open up and you can put the micro SD card in there, which I currently don't have one. Well, I have one, it's just not here. Got a million of them, but so that will go in there. And then this one here is the setup. So we push setup, and then it says there, it says, oh, I heard ready to connect, so I did. And I can hit next. And then my Wi-Fi network name, I guess I have to type it in here. My Wi-Fi is called Keep Out. And then I put in my thing, and I put in that, and then then it shows up a QR code, I guess, which is my network stuff. And then I point it, 'Edit. And hopefully it'll say QR code scanned at some point. Let's stop talking, so let's see what happens now.
Ready to connect.
Oh, it still says ready to connect. Oh, there we go. I guess it wasn't bright enough. I had to click on the screen to make it brighter. So there, now it says I heard QR code scanned.
Cannot find the specific network name.
Couldn't find the network name. Uh-oh, I must have typed it wrong. Uh-oh, so now it says connecting. Oh, now it's flashing blue and red. I think I'm gonna have to try this again. I probably typed my network name wrong. It should have found it on the list. So let's try this again. So let's cancel and start again. Wi-Fi. Plug it in. Next. Ready to connect.
Ready to connect.
Next. Okay, my Wi-Fi network name is K. Oh, it goes to capitals. So I don't want capitals on any of this stuff. So yeah, so now I have my keep out with lowercase and stuff. So there, now we have the QR code. Oh, I'm surprised it even found it because it's going right, the door's open. Okay, so I heard QR code scanned, so hopefully it'll find the network now that it's actually typed right. Oh, and I just got a message from Spectrum saying a new device was found on your network, so I'm guessing that was the device.
Setup completed.
Ah, setup completed. So now I want to name the device, and I'll call this one here Ender 3 V2, because that's what it's going to be for my printer. So then I hit finish. And now I can say I don't want to do my Cam Plus trial or anything. I don't want this stuff to continue. Maybe later. It's asked if I want to share the access, and I said no. Okay. Okay, so I said no, but if you look at it, there's the camera. I think if I go that way, so this is the camera, and we're filming it right now. So if I go here, you can hear it too. We got that, and it's working, and it seems to do pretty good. And these have really good quality. So I'm going to actually face it right there. You can see that's my 3D printer printing. Actually, it finished printing. My print is finished. You can see, sorry, it's got a cover on it, but you can see it's a dragon. That's for my brother. He wanted a dragon, a red and white one, so that's what he got. So there we go. So I'm going to actually be able to point it on there, live stream it, so next time I print something, he can go on my YouTube. Oh, yeah, let me turn this off. There, turn off the sound. That was funny. But there we go. And it was as simple as that. So I don't know how long this video is, 7 minutes or so. So it takes less than that to set up a Wyze cam, so it's super easy. And I've got one more to do for my other printer. So we're going to set that up too. So hope you all like this video, and I'll be back with some other stuff soon. I'll put a link to this in the description. I got the 2-pack for like $70 or something, but you can get a single one, and sometimes they even go on sale and all too. But that's it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and links in the description. Bye.